how to share your screen in Zoom meeting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share your screen and enhance your presentation. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and then head over to your Zoom call. Then you can see share icon right there. Just tap on it. So you can see tab. So you can share the tab that is open in your browser right now. And then you can also choose whether you want to share the tab audios, or you can even share your window or entire screen. Just choose it and then hit share. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.